Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's pray and thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for the gifts I can make and video internship seminar. Let me introduce myself. My name is Asita Lita. I am from Diploma Accounting 2019, Faculty Economy at State University of Jakarta. Today I would like to present my internship program report on the Tax Consultant Office Halma Simbolan of PT Pratama Wahana Konsultan. Background internship. Entering the era of increasingly competitive job work competition, indirectly job seekers are required to have skills that are in accordance with the needs and demands of job opportunity in the current era. The world has now entered the era of the Industrial Revolution 4.0, where the presence of this industrial revolution brings change to jobs, adjustment in various professional fields, especially the accountant professional in the field of taxation. In addition, the Industrial Revolution 4.0 requires tax consultants and accountants to be able to adjust the development of information technology and emphasize the concept of digital technology in meeting the needs of the world of work. The Industrial Revolution 4.0 presents technology and information systems to develop increasingly rapidly, especially in the field of tax accounting. The bookkeeping and reporting system as well as the tax payment system also develop. Technological progress is inevitable. The revolution will continue to happen and it is difficult to predict. As a tax consultant and accountant, you must be ready to respond to any change that occurs. Therefore, tax consultants must participate in honing their skills and competence in order to compete with others. University is one of the formal education institutions that are required to be able to provide skills for students. The Skill Profession program has been implemented at the State University of Jakarta with the name Fieldwork Practice. Internship is an educational activity that must be followed by students. Internship activities are carried out in accordance with the student competence in accordance with the field. In addition, internship is given to increase future profession to enter the world of work, which is increasingly numerous and fierce competitive. B. The meaning and purpose of internship. The purpose of the internship: A. Gain new knowledge related to payment system and tax reporting and know the operation of tax applications such as electronic invoice. B. Knowing the ability of students to apply tax accounting theory and knowledge obtained in college and can apply it in the world of work. C. Acquire skill and express to become a professional workforce in the field of accounting, especially tax. D. Perform the work provided by the supervisor related to accounting and tax. Next, the meaning of internship program. A. To complete the fieldwork practice course and graduate recruitment for the Diploma Accounting Study Program, Faculty of Economy, State University of Jakarta. B. Learn and provide an overview of the world of work in real time. C. Practicing practice regarding the discipline of time, cooperation, responsibility, and integrity the student must have so that they can adapt to the world of work. D. Learn and be able to apply related to accounting and taxation in the world of work. C. Use of internship. 1 for companies. A. Maintain good cooperation and relationship with the Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta. B. Participate in improving the quality of human research and create a professional workforce. C. Get additional manpower assistance so that it can accelerate the company's operational activities. D. Is a means of providing assessment criteria that companies need in the world of work. 2 for students. A. Directly apply the knowledge that has been learned in lecture in the world of work. B. Train yourself and develop a professional spirit in the workplace. C. Improve and measure the ability of student thinking patterns or practice in solving problems. D. Increase insight and knowledge in the real world of work. 3. For the Faculty of Economy, University of Jakarta. A. To build good cooperation relationship between university and companies or agencies where practitioners carry out street vendors. B. Prepare students of the Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta as qualified and professional graduates in the world of work. C. Improve and give the good name of the Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta in the eyes of the institution where the internship is carried out because of the quality of the practitioner. D. Location internship. Company name, Tech Consultant Office, Helmet Simbolan of PT Pratama Wahana Konsultan. Address Geraha Spring Garden Block A3 number 5 Jatimuni Pondok Mati Bekasi West Java. Number phone 02122988283. Website www.pewcons.co.id. The company engineering in accounting, taxation, and management is in accordance with the field of study taken by the practitioner, and the practitioner wants to know more about accounting, especially tax. E. Time schedule internship. 1. Preparation stage. Looking for internship. To implementation stage. Internship is held for a month. 3. Reporting stage. Internship report preparation. Chapter 2. Company History. Profile of the Tax Consultant Office. Home Simbolon PT Pratama Wahana Konsultan. The Consultant Office, Home Simbolon PT Pratama Wahana Konsultan, is an office of the Tech Consultant Accounting Design Management, can provide excellent service, contribute to the development of the business world. The Tax Consultant Office, Home Simbolon by Home Simbolon, is a MAK. Holmes carries out the tax consultant certification examination or USKP at Jakarta. Tax practitioners who pass the USKP are entitled to use the degree. Data regarding in the tax consultant office Home symbolan as following: taxpayer identification number and license number. Home symbolan is a graduate of the University of Economic contribute to the development of the business. What asset management can provide excellent service, advanced Indonesia and master in accounting at Mercu Buana University. Home's result of the consultant certification examination or USKP at Jakarta tax professional who pass the USKP are entitled to use degree. The KP or certified tax consultant. The consultant practice license issued by the Directorate General of Tax and held by the Association of Indonesian Tax Consultants. Company mission: becoming a tax accounting and management service office that trusts honest and professional in Indonesia. Company vision: A. Build and maintain good relationship with clients. B. Providing the best service for clients. C. Providing the best solution for clients. D. Because the company motto is to give trust and solution for clients. B. Organizational structure of the company: managing partner to finance staff to superficial staff, senior staff, and junior staff. C. General company activities: 1. Taxation service. E. General tax consultant, tax compliance, annual tax return, VAT tax refund and income tax refund, tax administration service, tax planning, tax dispute resolution and tax audit, tax court, tax training, and transfer pricing documentation. 2. Accounting service: preparation of accounting manual book. B. Preparation of financial statement. C. Payroll and employee income tax. 3. Management service: business establishment and permission. Internship or program implementation. A. Field of work: 1. Record salary output tax invoice with the factor to make a notification letter or SPT for the period of value-added tax. 3. Input or journal balance credit sales containing value-added tax using the accurate application. 4. Input or journals transaction at the client's bank statement using the accurate application. B. Work execution: record salary of tax invoice with a factor. Step 1. Required documents: salary invoice and taxpayer identification number. Step 2. There are 2 options in this step, namely local database and network database. Local database is selected if the input is done on a computer or laptop that is use a server. A network database is selected if the input is done on a computer or laptop clients. Step 4. Input invoice to auto tax and invoice administration. Step 5. Click plus record invoice. Step 6. Complete the data, transaction details, and invoice types, and save. Step 8. Transaction details on output tax invoice generation. Select record transaction to enter goods or service for the sale contained in the invoice. On the upper right side, the practitioner selects search for goods or service on the upper right side, then the code, database, and item. Step 9. Click Save. Step 10, back to output text invoice list. And step 11, selecting the management upload to output text invoice and start uploader. Step 12, display the backup user login tab, enter the capitalist and enter the silent client's password. Execution 2. Step 1, open the text invoice application. Step 2, display option between local database and network database. Step 3, login the text invoice by entering your username and password. And home application display and selection to make SPT and posting. Step 4, details of making value at text period ESPT. 1. In the text period section, fill in the amount of the notification letter that want to be met. 2. In the text year section, fill in the year. 3. In the correction section of the practitioner, fill in 0 because the SPT is the 0 correcting SPT, or first script the 1. 4. Next, the practitioner select the check number of documentation output text or input text. Then there is the number of output text or input text in the amount of SPT that want to be met. 5. If the amount of output text or input text has been visible, the practitioner select the pause section on the middle side lower. Execution 3, input or journal client's credit self containing to of text using the correct application. So the source data input, type, number employees, date, customer ID, customer name, name product, PPT, value of text, and more. Next, we picture the movie of the accurate type interpretation. Number 1 is create no company data. Number 2 is open company data. Number 3, open the list data. Number 4, sample company data. Number 5, prepare data. And number 6, data pickup. And after enterprise application home screen, please click the activity menu. In this activity menu, there are the options to general journals and next, input of this journal voucher, complete voucher number, date, description, and account number to account name, then they will override to subsidiary ledger and save and more. Journal account is available for customer name, to sales and output text. For execution 4, use input journal or journal transaction of the client bank statement using the application. Prepare data, proof of bank expenditure, income, search from the bank statement, recap of client's bank statement, picture 3. This step in inputting the account receivable, the monthly of the accurate classification, and After the classification home screen, step click the activity menu. In this activity menu, there are registration and general journal accidents. With journal picture, file number, date and description, and journal link pada akun reservoir. C. Obstacles and how to overcome obstacles. Obstacle phase 1. Practicing taking other courses other than internship courses so that the time for street vendors with other course schedule is carried out simultaneously result in the practitioner being less focused in the both things. 2. There are often electrical disturbance that hinder the practitioner in carrying out the task assigned by the supervisor. 3. The data sent by the student is often incomplete, so that hinder work in matters related to accounting records. How to overcome obstacles? 1. The practitioner must manage the time as well as possible and establish good communication with office staff and lecture the same schedule. 2. Practitioner must anticipate, such as making job data pick up on data that is being or has been worked on. 3. In overcoming the problems of, let's say, variance data and incomplete, the practitioner always consult senior staff to remind the clients. While waiting for the client data, practitioner use the time to do other tasks. Chapter 4. Conclusion. Practitioner gain new knowledge related to payment and reporting system tax, as well as knowing the operation of tax application such as refactor. B. Practitioner can apply the theory and knowledge of tax accounting gained in colleagues in the world of law. C. Practitioner accurate skill and experts to become professional work in the field of accounting, especially taxation. D. The practitioner can do work assigned by the supervisor related to journal entry using the accurate application. B. Suggestion. 1. For students, the practitioner must be better prepared in the field of academic and non-academic so that practitioner can support implementation of field work practice. The practitioner must maintain good behavior, have the ability to work safe and communicate well to the mentors. C. Practitioner must be more careful in completing the work given by the mentor so that the practitioner gets trust from the mentor. 2. For the Faculty of Economy, University of Jakarta, the Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta provides socialization about the flow of activities such as what data can be prepared later to prepare the internship report. B. The Faculty Economics at University of Jakarta is expected to continue to establish good cooperation with agencies for companies so that the implementation internship can create professional graduates. 3. For companies, the facilities to support company activities must be upgraded. There will be increasingly the productivity of the company. B. Informing the tax and direction to the practitioner to make it more clear so that there is no miscommunication. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all the presentation internship seminar from me today. Thank you for your listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.